Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make fried tofu balls. This is a new way to eat tofu. Hope you will like it. First, prepare a piece of tofu and smash it. Chop some carrot and put it into the bowl. Chop some scallion and put it into the bowl too. We also need some ham. And some coriander. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 spoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. This powder is a mix of Sichuan pepper, anise, cinnamon, cloves, and fennel seeds. Add 3 large spoons of flour, 3 spoons of soy sauce, crack 2 eggs. Mix well. Make it into suitable sized balls. Prepare the pot and heat some oil. When the oil reaches around 60 degrees, put the tofu balls into it. When you see the tofu skin becomes crispy and golden, take them out. And this is it. Crispy outside, soft inside, really tasty. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.